Hello and welcome to this Feel Good Yoga stretch. In about 10 minutes we will stretch the whole body head to toe and hopefully you will leave your mat feeling a little better than when you started. Let's begin with a child's pose variation today. Start with your toes together, knees apart, sit down to your heels. Roll your shoulders back a few times. And then interlace hands behind your lower back. Squeeze the shoulder blades together, lift your chest up, and slowly lower your forehead towards the ground as you pull your hands away from the lower back. Take deep breaths into your rib cage, expanding the ribs and collarbones as you inhale, and pulling the hands further away from the lower back as you exhale. Release your hands and reach your arms forward. Make cups with your fingers. Walk them far forward so you feel the stretch along the side of the torso. And take a few deeper breaths into the sides of the body, expanding the side ribs. Release your elbows down. Come into tabletop variation on your forearms. With inhale, drop your chest and belly, look forward or up, and exhale, press the forearms down and round the spine. Cat and cow but on your forearms. Inhale to arch the back and exhale to round. Notice if this feels a little different in your body compared to a regular cat and cow. Come back to neutral position and lay down to your belly. Keep the elbows bent and take your right elbow to the side in line with the shoulder. Release the side of the head to the mat and slowly roll to the right side until you feel the stretch on your right shoulder and also on the chest. Keep your legs straight or slightly bent. And send your breath into the area where you feel this stretch. Slowly change sides. Take your left elbow to the side and roll to your left side. And then roll back to your belly again. And press yourself up to your hands and knees. Just a regular tabletop position with hands shoulder width apart and knees hip distance apart. Take a big breath in and reach your right arm up to the sky. Stay here for an extra breath, pressing the left palm down and opening your chest up towards the ceiling. Inhale in this open twist. And exhale, thread your right arm under your left armpit. Release your right shoulder down. And stay here for a few breaths. You can keep your left palm down next to your face, or bring your left hand to your lower back, or try to catch your right hip. Deep full breath into the rib cage as you stay in this twist. Press your left hand down, take one more breath to reach your right arm up, open twist, and exhale, hand down to the mat. Other side, reach your left arm up, keep pressing the floor away with your right hand. Inhale to open a bit more. And exhale, thread your arm under your right armpit. And just like on the other side, your right hand can stay down, or you can bring it behind your lower back or catch the opposite thigh. Slowly release. Press your right palm down, reach your left arm up, inhale, and exhale, hand down to the mat. Tuck your toes under, press your hips up to the ceiling, downward facing dog. Stay here or walk your feet out on spot a few times. Maybe shift the hips side to side. Try to find some organic movement that feels good in your body. Walk your hands back and feet forward so you come to the middle of your mat. Feet stay about hip distance apart. Bend the knees to start and keep your fingertips on the mat or place them to your shins. And slowly straighten the legs, sending your hips up towards the ceiling. Shifting the weight a bit more forward towards the toes so that your ankles, knees and hips are in one line. Take a few deep breaths in this static forward bend hold. Feeling a deep stretch on the back of the legs and hips. And then for yoga squat, your heels can stay hip distance or wider apart. Turn your toes out. Gently push your knees out with the elbows. And keep your fingertips on the ground or press your palms together in front of the chest. Think about lifting your heart up towards the thumbs, lengthening your lower and upper back. You can also sway a little in this pose, side to side, if that feels nice. As you release, sit down on your mat and straighten your legs out in front of you. Bring one ankle under the knee and another one in front of the opposite knee, so that your shins are parallel and feet are roughly under your knees. Remember which shin is now in front. And slowly release your upper body over the legs, finding a deep stretch on the outer hips, maybe also inner thighs and lower back. Take another full breath in, slow breath out. Lift your torso up and switch sides so that another shin is now in front. And when you're ready, release into forward bend, chest towards the knees. And notice if this side feels different or just the same. Sometimes just crossing the legs in the other way makes a stretch a little different. Take another breath. And slowly come up. Straighten your legs out once and then cross them in any comfortable way. Sit up tall, hands on the knees. Lower your chin down to the chest and circle it from one shoulder to another, making gentle half circles or full circles if that feels good in your neck. Remember to change direction if you're making full circles. Bring your head back to center. Close your eyes. Take a big inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, bring your palms together to your heart. Thank yourself for taking this time to do something good for your body and mind. And slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!